This is one of the best sites. 7-Eleven store, just overlooking the scenic Mount Fuji. They have a Ferris wheel here, giant Ferris wheel. But what is really striking is the very nice view of Mount Fuji. We reached this destination by an hour drive from the city of Hamamatsu. We had an overnight stay. What is this? Oh, ganda. Huh? Laki. What could be a best place for dog na relaxation here? Nice yung mga dogs eh. Tingnan mo naman yung Mount Fuji. What better place to witness Mount Fuji? Dito talaga. Wow. Tingnan mo naman. Speechless. Super ganda. Wow. Pwede kang sumakay ng Ferris wheel while witnessing Mount Fuji. Ganda ng view. Ay, nako. So relaxing. Paano ginawa to? Kahoy na.